In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed a PDF file in Notion. Notion can be an incredibly powerful tool for organizing your thoughts, documents, and projects. Embedding a PDF directly within a Notion page can enhance your productivity by keeping all relevant information accessible and in one place. Let's dive into the step-by-step process of how you can achieve this with ease. First off, you'll need to open your Notion application, either on your desktop or through your web browser. Once you're in and have navigated to your workspace, you'll want to select the specific page where you want to embed your PDF. This could be any page where you think a PDF would be useful, perhaps as a reference in a project note, an attachment in a report, or even for personal use as a repository of your reading materials. Once you've got your page open, you'll want to make use of one of Notion's most powerful features, its quick command prompts. Simply click into the body of the page and type in Embed without the quotation marks. This command is a shortcut that brings up Notion's embed block options, making it easy to integrate various types of content into your pages seamlessly. The next part is quite straightforward. After typing try embed, you'll see an option that says Embed. Click on it. Notion supports embedding content from a variety of sources, and this interface is designed to make the process intuitive. Once you've clicked on Embed, you should see an option that says Upload or Paste a PDF link. This is where you can choose how exactly you want to include your PDF. If your PDF is stored locally on your computer, you'll want to click the Choose a File option. This will open a file selection prompt that allows you to navigate through your computer's directories. Find the PDF file you wish to embed, select it, and hit Open or Choose to upload it directly to your Notion page. Alternatively, if your PDF is hosted online and you have a URL link to it, you can simply paste this link in the space provided. Notion will then pull the content from the web and embed it directly on your page. This can be particularly useful if you're consistently referring to a PDF that's updated regularly, as the link will always direct you to the latest version. Once you've uploaded your file or entered your link, your PDF will appear directly on the page. You can click and drag to reposition it, resize the viewing frame if necessary, and continue adding content around it as you would any other Notion block. And there you have it. With these steps, you can easily embed PDFs into your Notion pages, keeping all your critical documents right where you need them. Thanks for tuning in, and I hope this tutorial helps make your Notion use a bit more versatile and efficient.